We are not numbers on a report. We are fathers, mothers, students. Our pain is real. Our screams echo. Does the world even hear us?
His voice carries a forgotten land. He is asking only to be seen.
Look closely. We are not just faces in the dark, we are people. See the humanity in our struggle.
In the Sudanese streets of El Fasher, no day passes without a new test.
Here, Sudanese women sing at the doors of demolished homes.
Dark-skinned black men, their faces like the earth that never surrenders to the drought.
They carry sacks and water on slender shoulders, but their hearts do not bend.
Sudanese children, barefoot on the sand, draw a sun on the broken walls.
As if to remind the world that the light has not died.
Hospitals devoured by need, Sudanese markets burned, and homes that await a decree from the heavens.
I was born here. I have seen my city through the years.
The laughter, the markets, the people.
Now, the silence is louder than ever. But we still hold on. Because this is our home.
Every morning I wake up. I check if my family is safe. Share what little we have. Food, water, hope. The world must remember, behind every headline, there are people.
Now it's gray with smoke. The loud noises, they make my doll fall. I can't find her anymore.
The rapid support forces, they took everything. The food, our home, our dignity. They laugh while we starve. I tell my children the sound of bombing is just thunder. But they know. They know their father is not coming back.
This is not a war, it's a massacre! They have heavy weapons, and we have nothing but our voices. They burn the hospitals, they shoot at ambulances. The world watches this genocide and sends thoughts and prayers. We need action! Han!
In my long life, I have seen many things. But this is a darkness I never knew.
They have erased our markets, our schools, our history. They want to break our spirit.
But El Fasher is in our hearts. It cannot be burned away.
It is difficult to talk about. Everything is gone. They attacked the hospital.
I was playing football.
Then the sky got loud. My friend, Omar, he fell. He didn't get up.
I just ran. I don't know where my ball is.
I have been a midwife for 20 years. I have never seen such suffering. We need help now. I have brought countless children into this world. Now I bring them into darkness. Without medicine, without clean water. I delivered a baby by the light of a phone. The sound of the RSF trucks our lullaby. This is not life. This is a slow death for us all.
What is a farmer without his fields? They burned it all.
My life's work, gone in a day.
Land. My father, his father. We fed people. Now, they burned my fields, stole my livestock. They don't want to conquer us. They want to erase us from this earth.
A farmer with no land is a ghost.
The healthcare system has completely collapsed. We lack basic supplies. We are overwhelmed. We lack basic supplies, clean water and security. The world sends aid, but the Rapid Support Forces block it. This is not a crisis. It is a calculated atrocity.
The RSF killed my family, my husband and my sons. I saw them die. They lined the men up against the wall of the mosque. My husband, my sons, they were teachers, not soldiers.
They made us watch. They laughed as they fired. They did not even bury them. They left them for the dogs and the sun. I am a widow of the RSF. It was near the checkpoint. They were wearing the RSF uniforms. They violated me. I don't remember how many hours it lasted.
They came into the house. They took the men outside. They kept the women. There were 6 of them. They called it their right.
The RSF did not just take my body. They erased me.
They didn't just press poison the well. They came with trucks and pumped cement into it.
They stood there and laughed while they did it. They said, now you will drink from the dust.
El Fasher wakes slowly, heavy with the dust of yesterday. But in his eyes, you see the enduring spirit of this place.
Even in the darkness, the stars still shine over El Fasher. We are still here. We are waiting for the morning.
Through hardship, they build. Through loss, they rise. Even when the walls crumble, learning continues. Hope refuses to fade.
If we do not listen now, we will not change destiny. El Fasher needs us. Today, not tomorrow.
Save El Fasher before it becomes a memory that cannot be saved.